Hello, my name is Sandeep, and today we'll see exercise number 4 in compiler lab, that is simulation of microprocessor. And here our aim is to stimulate the functions of the microprocessor. And in a macroprocessor, like if we give the input as this thing, like this program with all hash define and hash include, then it should scan it, it should separate it, and then finally it should give the output like this, which means if in a program is if it is having hash define add of x, then it should go to x and take the value. If add of a is given, then it should take the value from hash define and then it should perform the operation. Now let's see the code for this thing. Here I have created a class called define searcher class, and in this we are scanning input from a text field called test2.txt, and it has all this text. It will scan from this and then take the contents, and here in this while loop, if current line equal to bf dot read line is not equal to null. So if there is some content in the text, then this will be not equal to null, and so we can continue our program. If current line dot contains hash define, so if the line contains hash define, then it performs this thing, and else it will go to the def search of current line. There is a class called def search, and in that all these things will be happening. That is, the count is initiated to 0, and in the for loop I starts with 0, and compiler 3 dot variable. Compiler 3 is another class which I have created here, and here also it has the keywords like int, char, float and all these things. And in this search function we have given, it takes the input from test2.txt file. It will read each and every line, and if it is not equal to null, then if it contains hash define, then it will go to a class called define extractor, and in that extractor we also have string line array and string builder extract, and each line array will create, or it will split the current line using the spaces. And I've also given here boolean b equal to false, and for string element is in the line array, and if boolean b is equal to true, then it should extract and append element b using the space. And if element dot contains hash define, so if the element contains hash define, then the boolean b will be true. And after this, if extract dot uh, index of the given program contains brackets, then it is not equal to -1. So there is some content in the file, and if the content is there in the file, then it will go to the next function like variable processor of string builder. And in this it starts from L starts from in this for loop, it starts from 0 to array dot length, that is the total length of the array, and it will be incremented throughout, and it will replace all the commas with space, and it will replace all the equal to's, so that we can easily separate. And colon also, it will be replaced by space, and finally we can separate using space. And then we also have uh, function processor called, uh, and then in that we have string converter, that is everything is converted to the string, that is string. We have used the string builder. Using the string builder we will be converting, and I've also created new string builders like fun extract, that is function to extract the function, and implement extract, and then function arguments. These are all the string builders which we have used in the program, and also the boolean b. And after this we have used for loop and followed by if loops. It will check all the arrays in the line, and if it contains brackets, then b will be equated to false, and if it contains any other symbols also, it will be equated to false. And if b equal to true, then bracket count will be 0, and if bracket count is greater than 1, then it will append or element dot replace of bracket with space. So if there is any bracket in the program, then it will be replaced with space, and using this space we can segregate the given code. So now let's run and see this code. Yeah, you can see the text file here, test.txt. Here I have given the name, which will be directly shown in the output, and after that I have given hash define add of p and cv equal to p plus 1. After that, hash define pi equal to 3.14 and jump equal to 106. Then hash define sub of h comma h equal to h minus 1. And after all this, I have given hash include iostream, so it will show as it is hash include iostream dot h. And then main also will be shown as same. Int values, that is a equal to 10 and b c d, which are declared as int, are also shown as such. And after that we have c equal to pi plus a. So here it will take the information from the hash define and it shows directly like c equal to pi. It goes back to the hash define and checks the value of pi, that is 3.14, and it will, in the output it shows as 3.14 plus a. And the next one is add a. So it will check with hash define add of p, and similarly it will follow up, and then it gives c equal to 106 plus a, and then pi plus plus. So it will check the value of pi and will give plus plus, that is 3.14 plus plus, and so on. It will do the same thing for the rest of the program. So this is the third experiment. Thank you.